You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and this name once and for all correctly. A word in Italian, also a surname. If you want to learn more Italian pronunciation, stay tuned. Cavalli is the Italian pronunciation. The meaning means horses. This is the plural of the word cavallo. Un cavallo is one horse. Cavalli is several horses. Cavalli would be the Italian pronunciation. In English, therefore, it is generally pronounced as Cavalli as a surname. Cavalli, or in Italian, Cavalli. You have a double L, so make it twice as long. Cavalli. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.